evening. You are watching YouTube News. Today we will take you a journey to explore Kazakhstan's ancient heritage. Home from the burial mountains of the Saka people to the National Museums are historical treasures. All of them has prepared exclusive reportage from the island.
We are here at one of the most significant archaeological cities in Kazakhstan, the Saka burial mounds. These mounds, also known as Kurgans, were built by the Saka peoples to bury their noble warriors and their rulers. Some of them date back over 2,500 years, offering as a glimpse into the rich history of the Iron Age.
Excavations in these kurgans have uncovered golden artifacts, weapons, and even horse remains. These discoveries show that the Saka people were not only great warriors but also highly skilled craftsmen. Their culture and the tradition continues to fascinate the historians and the archaeological today.
These burial cities also provide insight into the Saka people's belief system. Many of the artifacts found here suggest that they had strong spiritual traditions, possibly believing in life after death. This is why warriors and the rulers were buried with the belongings, including weapons and the treasures.
Through these archaeological discoveries, we are able to connect with the past and uncover the hidden stories of Kazakhstan ancestors. Back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Aqnur. Now let's move from the archaeological site to the National Museum where our reporters Akmaral have expired more historical artifacts.
The Golden Man, also known as the Saka warrior, was discovered in 1969 in the Isik burial mound. His golden armor and intricate decoration symbolize the power and craftsmanship of the Saka civilization. This museum also displays tools, jewelry, and weapons from different eras, helping us piece together the daily lives of our ancestors. Each artifact tells a story of Kazakhstan's deep and fascinating past.
From the wild Saka burial mounds to the treasures in the National Museum of Kazakhstan, history is full of fascinating discoveries. These ancestors and artifacts help us understand the lives, beliefs, and craftsmanship of our ancestors. A big thank you to our reporters Aqnur, Akmaral, Aqnur for bringing us rich, engaging stories, and thank you for watching the rich news pro reporters on history, culture, and the skies. See you next time.
Біз Ақтор екеуміз жылқы көріп қалдық. Сөйтіп бір топ жігіт артынан кетіп бардық. Микрофон істемейді, өкінішке орай. Ну и ладно. Өте суық достар. Бірақ біз берілмейміз. Біз жетеміз. Қоясын бөлмей қаққа жететіміз. Күрде екенді қазір. Тугестен бір жолды көрсетіп тұр. Тугеске сеніп келе жатыр. Соны айтам. Көзім шалды, ішіне түсірікші. Жоқ, болмайды. Бастай бер бол. Бастай бер онда. Бастай бер. We are here at one of the most significant archaeological cities in Kazakhstan.
Through these archaeological discoveries, we are able to connect with the past, uncover.
Достар, қалайсыңдар? Бірге бол?
Бірге бол. Біткен видео подружка кемпірлеріне. Біткен видео. Сес тұрсыңдар ма істі? Крышка не шығып отыр. Чебуреки не шығып отыр. Әдем шығып отыр.
Міне, мен қолғанма мән бермейміз, достар.
Екші бұл.
Біз бұл пиво емес, Буратино шығып отыр.
Жаман ойламаймыз. Өлім ұрып көтерейік. Давай.
Тұршы Марал, бүйтіш көрекші. Не дейміз? Сөзге кедейміз. Алып қойық дейші. Мен беліне өткізші дей. Құйып
Good evening. Good evening. You are right. Good evening. You. Thank you, Aqnur. No. Thank you, Aqnur. Thank you, Aqnur. No.